Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on OnePlus Pad 3. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use Yepp.com. And you have to search something as your custom search engine. Then click on the three dots icon and now go to settings. Then go to search engine, and in recently visited you should have Yepp.com option, so you can select that and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now changed to Yepp. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.